Today we're going to talk about the Muscadine plant and its health benefits. You will not believe what all the Muscadine grape, the benefits that it has. So stay tuned so you can learn more. The Muscadine plant, or the Muscadine grapevine, has some awesome health benefits. First of all, the Muscadine grape is packed with antioxidants. It has 4 times more antioxidants in it in the Muscadine grape. It protects the lining of the arteries. Did you know that? The Muscadine grape protects the lining of the arteries. It also has awesome cellular support. It has allergenic acid, which some says that will help fighting cancer, heart disease, and other ailments. The muscadine has more fiber than rice or oats. One muscadine has more fiber in it than 5 seedless grapes. Just one muscadine grape has more in it than 5 seedless grapes. Muscadine grapes help to regulate the bowel movement. If you're having a problem with your bowel movement, get you some muscadine grapes. Muscadine grapes reduce the risk of strokes. It helps with that. And it also lowers your cholesterol. The muscadine grape. You can freeze the muscadine grape. You can pick them, store them, and freeze them for the fall if you want to keep them to then, to put them in your smoothie. They are great to be frozen. And when you eat the muscadine grape, I know a lot of people, they just eat the inside of it. They don't, that the skin is tough. It is tough, and the seeds are very strong. But the seed and the skin has 95% of the benefits come from the skin and the seeds that are inside of it. Some people take the seeds and put them in their tossed salad and eat them like that. You can make jelly, jams, or muscadine wine out of these muscadine grapes. They are also very low in calories. For those who are on your diet and you're watching what you eat, get you some muscadine grapes. They are very low in calories, and they also help with inflammation. If you're having problems with inflammation, get you some muscadine grapes. And muscadine grapes are good for your skin, your hair. It stops aging. Ha ha! Can you believe that? And it helps with blemishes and gives your skin a golden glow. Now, who would have ever thought that a muscadine grape had all of these health benefits? These little grapes right here. And it takes, when you putting it out on a new vine, it takes up to 3 to 5 years for some of them to produce. And their months of production are August through October. That's why you see some of our grapes now are ready to pick, but the majority of them are not. And you know when they're really ready, when they start falling and hitting the ground, that's a clue that those grapes are ready to be picked. So for those who have been overlooking the Muscadine grape, you need to try it out. It has some awesome health benefits that will help you. And those who are on diet, keto, vegan, whatever you may be doing, try out the Muscadine grape.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower